In today's video, I'm going to teach you Tradingview how to take partial profit step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to lock in gains on part of your position while keeping the rest open, all from within the Tradingview chart. First, head to Tradingview. This is where we'll manage the position directly on the chart. Everything we do will happen in the same workspace, so you can see your levels, orders, and position details in one place, which helps avoid mistakes. Next, click on Products. From there, open the charts experience so you're looking at the instrument you're trading. The goal is simply to get to the live chart where your active trade is visible. If you already have the chart open with your position showing, you're good to go. Now click on the trade where you want to take profit. On the chart, you should see an on-screen position line or a position ticket with details like size, average price, and unrealized P&L. Clicking it brings up the quick controls linked to that specific trade. If you have multiple positions, make sure you're on the correct symbol and account and double check the position size so you know how much you might want to scale out. Then click on Take Profit. This opens the Take Profit control. Depending on your setup, you'll either see a panel where you can enter details or a Take Profit line will appear on the chart that you can drag. At this point, nothing is closed yet. You're just preparing the order that will close part of the position when price reaches your target. Finally, adjust the price until it's partial. Set the take profit price at the level where you want to secure gains. Equally important, reduce the quantity so it's less than your full position size. Look for fields like quantity, amount, or a percentage slider, and change it to the portion you want to close, say 25%, 33%, or 50%, so only that part is exited at your target. As you make changes, confirm that the order preview shows a smaller size than your total position. You should see a take profit line on the chart at your chosen price and a matching order in your orders list. When you're satisfied, confirm the order. Tradingview will place a limit take profit for that portion. If price reaches your level, the platform will close only that amount and leave the remainder of the position open. Keep in mind that fills depend on market liquidity and your broker connection, and partial fills are possible. That's it. You've set a partial take profit, locking in gains while keeping your trade alive to capture more if the move continues.